Now, we previously reviewed a couple of Blue Ant's products, such as Blue Ant X3i and the Blue Ant Max X3D. Both of them stood out for the quality of sound, build design, and also overall use. So we're so excited to do the Blue Ant Pump X review today. And as you can see here, here's the box just there. Now, doesn't that look lovely? And the key thing is this is made by an Australian company, Blue Ant, and they've designed this from the ground up. So, yeah, very excited. It's our first actual wearable review with Blue Ant. So anyway, let's jump in and start with the unboxing. Now, when I first saw the packaging, I thought, wow, Blue Ant has really stepped up the game. The box itself feels like a gift box. I'm reviewing the white and gold version, and just look at the gold trim. It's stunning, isn't it? Blue Ant really wanted these headphones to stand out, and boy, have they nailed it. On the back of the box, you've got a breakdown of the features. Cooling gel pads, booming bass, 8 hours of battery life, and active noise cancellation up to 35 decibels. But let's get to the fun part, opening it up. Inside, you're greeted with a beautiful presentation. First off, we've got the cooling gel pads. These are designed to keep your ears cool during intense workouts, and they feel incredibly light and breathable. Alongside them, you get the standard memory foam ear pads for everyday use. Swapping out the pads is super easy, guys. So all you need to do is just remove them with a clip like that, see, comes off, and you can put them back on just as easy. Now, the great thing is with these is a lot of times with earbuds pads, they get used, they can get dirty, they can wear out, they can get sweaty. By doing this, you can actually change them over as well. It's great. Now, having a look at the carry case, which feels just as premium as the headphones. It's sturdy, comes with a belt clip, and it's perfect tossing into your gym bag. And finally, the headphones themselves. And I have to say, wow, they're absolutely stunning. The gold accents on the white finish give them a luxurious look, and they're surprisingly lightweight for how robust they feel. There's even a motivational touch. So on the inside of the headband, you get, if you guys can see it just there, the words "Never Give Up" engraved. It's such a cool detail and really speaks volume about the athletic vibe Blue Ant goes for, but also about the level of detail they've gone into creating these headphones. Let's talk about design. The headphones are built to last, with a rugged yet stylish look that screams premium. The over-ear fit is snug and secure, which is exactly what you want for running, jumping, or smashing out a boxing session. The materials feel high quality. Guys, there's no cheap plastic here at all, and the adjustable headband ensures a perfect fit for all sizes. The cooling gel pads, which I've got on here at the moment because I've been using them, are a game changer for gym goers. They keep your ears cool and prevent that uncomfortable, sweaty feeling you get with regular headphones. If you're like me and you spend hours at the gym, this feature alone is a massive win. And for day-to-day use, the standard ear pads are equally comfortable. So guys, I'm gonna put them on just now and show you how they fit. So you put them on there, and as you can see, my ears fit really well within the ear pads. Now it's quite easy to turn them on as well. You hold down the power on button there, and it turns on the headphones. Now you can use this button here as well for the noise cancellation, the ambient aware mode, and also to switch on the X boost as well, which really boosts sound. We'll talk about shortly. So put them on, and again, you adjust them through the headband, and they don't move at all. It's really, really good. So over the past week, I've taken the Pump X headphones everywhere. On a jog, to the gym, and even a walk on the beach. Now, as you guys know, I live in Brisbane and the Gold Coast, so I spend a lot of time outdoors. And let me tell you, these headphones never missed a beat. Hey guys, just been for a run along the beach with the Blue Ant Pump X headphones, and I have to say, they were fantastic. Because of these earbuds here, the earbud caps, they're breathable, so it means as I'm running, it's not sweating on my ears, so I can actually run with them, which is unusual for over-ear headphones. As you can see, there's the beach in the background there. So these are great for exercising, running on the beach. The sound's great, and actually, as I said, they're not sweating at all in the ears, so good headphones to have, and yeah, great for running along the beach. I guess the first thing is they stayed very securely in place during intense workouts. So as you can see, I was at the gym the other night and doing a workout, as you said, with my shirt off. Sorry if you don't like that, but it's all about showing it. You can see I was doing the weights and the headphones stayed securely on my head, didn't move at all. I did get sweat as well from them as well. And with the IP54 sweat-proof and splash-proof rating, it handled all the sweat I could throw at them. Even doing a cycling here on the bike, they didn't move. Now I had to, I couldn't record voice over at the gym because the sound was too loud. But that part of that is I couldn't actually hear any external noise with the headphones. That's how great they were to use at the gym. Now, I didn't find these get way too hot either when I was exercising. So normally I use earbuds a lot, and I never wear headphones at the gym. These were great. Now, they're not going to keep you as cool as earbuds, of course, but with these cooling gel pads, it really made a big difference because they're so, if you can see them there, they're very, very breathable, which means the air's getting through there and allow your ears to breathe. Now, guys, the part you've all been waiting for, the sound. The Blue Ant Pump X headphones deliver exactly what they promise. Loud, booming audio with a thumping bass. The 40mm drivers pack a punch. And if you want more intensity, the X Mode feature cranks up the bass and volume for a high energy listening experience. So I tested these out when I was at the gym with my gym playlist, which includes everything from house music to rock, and the sound was incredible. I listened to some house music tracks from Calvin Harris, and the bass came through strong. It was immersive, making me think I was in the middle of the performance. The mids and highs are crisp and clear, making these headphones great for podcasts and audiobooks too. These really did hold up well with the best of headphones. Now also with the headphones, they've got 4 microphones in place. So I was using them with my sister earlier on the phone. She could hear me completely clear as well. She didn't even realize that I was actually on headphones, which is great. So they come out very, very well. They also feature active noise cancellation, which blocks out up to 35 decibels of background noise. So as I said, when I was at the gym, weights were clanging, music was blaring, people were talking. The ANC worked brilliantly. It's like stepping into your own private bubble of sound. And as you can see, when I was using them at the beach here, I couldn't even hear the waves around me. I couldn't hear the wind. It was very, very good. But, oh, wow, that was a great run. Just been for a run with the Blue Ant Pump X headphones. And I have to say, they're absolutely fantastic. They sat so well on my ears when I was using them. Didn't move at all, and they feel great. And the sound is great. So you press the X Bass Boost, and it just really pumps up the sound so much. And as you can see, I've been running around the river in the beautiful Gold Coast. It's so nice. And the noise cancellation is perfect as well. So, and they just feel like beautiful, like pillows on your ears too. So I'm using the breathable mesh cups here, and feels great. So yeah, great for exercising, running along the beach, and gym. If you want to go and switch it to advanced transparency mode, you press the button there, and it switches across. So this amplifies your outside noise, so you can hear what's going on. So it's perfect for crossing the streets or chatting with friends without taking the headphones off. So how about battery life? Well, battery life is another standout feature. You get up to 34 hours playtime with ANC on, an incredible 58 hours with ANC off. Guys, if you're in a rush, quick 10-minute charge gives you 4 hours of playtime with ANC or 6 hours without. So last night I wanted to go and test these out going for a run, and they were flat. Plugged them in for 5 minutes. I was managed to run around the neighborhood. It was really, really good. So yeah, they work very, very well. So yeah, great quality, great sound. So final thoughts. So are the Blue Ant Pump X headphones worth the price tag? Well, guys, in my opinion, absolutely. They combine style, durability, and performance in a way that's hard to beat. The cooling gel earpads, booming bass, and long battery life make them a dream for gym goers and fitness enthusiasts. The team at Blue Ant have really created something that is beautiful to behold. Style, functionality, great music, and now a pair of over-ear headphones that I can actually feel confident at the gym using. So if you're looking for a pair of headphones that can keep up with your active lifestyle while delivering incredible sound, these are a fantastic choice. Now guys, you don't actually use them also just for fitness. You can use them for commuting, sitting at home watching TV, cooking, walking, whatever you want. They're really, really good. And you can tell that they've thought about everything with these. The design, the sound, the quality, it really is fantastic. So let me know what you think. If you've actually purchased these before, there's links in the description below. And also check away the giveaways in the description. But guys, thanks for joining us here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and see you in the next video.